Hey guys, I just got back from Costco and this is the big bird of paradise that I got. So I'm 5'1" and this guy is at least 6 feet or probably 7 feet tall. And I'm going to open it, and as you can see, it's all wrapped up by the paper. And I'm very excited because I've been wanting to get one so long. And if I go to a nursery for this size of bird of paradise, they charge at least $100. If you watch my previous Walmart shopping, plant shopping video, they have a small bird of paradise with some annual plants, and that guy is selling for, they're asking for $100. So I'm very excited for it, and it only cost me $27.99 plus tax. And let's unwrap it. So here they wrap up the whole bird of paradise. It's very nice because if you put it in your car, it basically secures all the soil, so no dirt coming out from the pot. Anyways, let's jump into the most exciting part. I'm so happy today. Today is my lucky day. So, hey. Oh my god. So, this one is kind of damaged, and I really hope the rest of the leaves are okay. But let's look at this one. This is the tallest, biggest leaf, and it has a split here. It's completely natural, completely fine, because bird of paradise, they split in nature, so it's fine. I just don't want that many, like this kind of damaged leaf. So let's keep going. Oh. Oh my god. Wow, because they wrap it, they use the paper to wrap it so the soil is still moist. Wow, this is very good. Wow. So, okay, this guy is wide. Let me turn the angle. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I think it looks pretty good. The leaves are not very damaged. And yeah. So if you look closer, this one is actually the new leaf. Look right here. And there's another new shoot coming out. And yeah. And there's another one, I think, because when I touch it, it's quite thick right here. So, wow, I'm very excited. And here, if you look at the bottom, it's absolutely normal, because when they transport it, sometimes if the leaf's damaged, they have to cut it, but that is completely fine. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm very happy, very excited with this plant. $27.99. So before I went, well, I actually went to Costco yesterday to get a birthday cake for my boss, and I saw they have some they have lots of majesty palms and only a few bird of paradise. So I told my husband, hey, we gotta go the next day. So I went today, and I also talked to the people there. I was like, are you guys getting more? And they said, yes, we're definitely going to get more. However, because of the tornado in Kansas City area, so some of the plants might got hit, and they're not quite sure if they will be able to get more. So if you're in Kansas City area, go ahead and check out your local Costco to see if they have any of them. If you are outside of Kansas City, I think a lot of Costco would carry like similar inventory, so I really suggest you go check it out. They usually sell them quick. After a couple weeks, they're just all gone, and they usually will bring them back like March or February time. So if you want to wait that long, I mean, I was waiting for it since March, so I was so surprised that they get it again this time of the year, because this is not quite normal for Costco. Yeah, this is my huge Costco plant haul. I'm super excited, and I really just want to spread the word, share with you. I got it today, and I'm going to post the video tonight. Yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to watch this kind of content, please subscribe. This is a very small channel, and I really want to provide some good content. But without you guys' support, and if nobody tell me if you like it or not, I don't know what direction I should go for. So if you could subscribe, give me some support, I will really appreciate it. So I will see you in my next video. Good luck!